Hey there, if you're a business coach and you're not using LinkedIn, you're missing out. I'm running a workshop, half day, where we're going to show you the 3 systems that we're using to turn LinkedIn into a 5-figure earning platform for us, where we're turning our connections into conversations and into clients. The 3 systems we're going to help you install are the LinkedIn Profile Optimization Upgrade. And that's where we're going to help you install the latest upgrades and features that LinkedIn has put in front of you to be able to increase your reach, reputation, and opportunity. We're going to build those and install those on the day. Second is the daily lead sequence. And the daily lead sequence are the 3-message outreach system that we've put in place and created to help generate a consistent flow of opportunities to turn your connections into conversations. It's simple, it's easy. I'm going to walk you through how to do it. And finally, the LinkedIn newsletter upgrade. If you're not using LinkedIn newsletters yet, maybe you are, but if they're not generating your opportunity, we need to install it and show you how. I'm going to help you turn your connections into subscribers so you can put your offer in front of more people more often and generate more opportunity. The 3 things, when combined, turn LinkedIn into a really powerful platform. So if you'd like to generate more business from your LinkedIn platform and you know that your target market are on LinkedIn, join me for the workshop, the LinkedIn Lead Advantage Workshop. It's half day and I'll walk you through the 3 systems that you need to monetize it. See you there.